Every week I am watching you, and today also. Today you are attending this seminar, if I am not wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
My total seminar is a multimedia base. જે મૂવી ફ્લોપ ગયા છે, જેને લોકો થિયેટર સુધી નથી ખેંચી ગયા, એ મૂવીમાંથી હું જે ક્લિપિંગ લઈને આવ્યો છું, હું કાલે તમને બતાવીશ અને યુ વિલ સરપ્રાઇઝ. બિકોઝ વેન આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ફોર મૂવી, આઈ એમ નોટ ગોઈંગ ફોર મૂવી. હું મારી વાઈફને કહું કે ભગવતી, મારો હમણાં 8:30 વાગ્યાનો શાહરૂખ ખાન સાથે અપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ છે, છેક બોરીવલી સુધી આવેલો છે, હું જરા એને મળીને આવું. એન્ડ શી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ કે આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ફોર એની મૂવી ઓફ ધ શાહરૂખ ખાન. I never say that I am going for the movie, because movie is a workshop for me. અને ઘણા પિક્ચરો એવા મેં જોયેલા છે કે હું 15 મિનિટમાં 25 મિનિટમાં અડધો કલાકમાં પાછો નીકળી ગયો છું, મળી ગયું મારે જે જોઈતું હતું આ પિક્ચરમાંથી, હવે જોવાની જરૂર નથી.
એટલે is watching films, is it mind relieving for you or
No, it is a workshop basically. Please understand this. Today nobody is a fool. Not a single movie is less than minimum 50 crore.
Right.
And somebody is putting 50 crore. He is having that concept, he is having that theme. The moment you go and touch that theme, you become from somewhere to somewhere. કાલે તમે મારો જલવો જોજો.
બિલકુલ.
You see the kind of, you will surprise. મેં પિક્ચર જોયા નથી, ફ્લોપ ગયેલા પિક્ચર છે, પણ તો મેસેજ તમે જોશો તો તમે થીજી જશો સીટ ઉપર. It is, please understand this, how you see the power of observation. કઈ રીતના ડ્રેસિંગ પહેરે છે, કઈ રીતનું શર્ટ પહેરે છે, કઈ રીતનું બ્લેઝર છે, કઈ ટાઈ ઉપર કયા શર્ટ ઉપર કઈ જાતની ટાઈ સોંપે છે, કઈ જાતના સોક્સ પહેરેલા છે, કઈ જાતની સ્ટાઇલ છે, કઈ બુક વાંચે છે, કેમ બેસે છે, કે કઈ જાતની એક્સેસરીઝ વાપરે છે. This is the living encyclopedia. Every human being is a living encyclopedia. Every human being is a poem, provided you know how to sing and provided you know how to read. Why you need a book? It's the power of observation. Absolutely, and that makes miracle. And I learned today, I'm telling you, when I was not getting an opportunity to go abroad, that time I used to feel, all my clients, I used to tell them, wonderful, you are going to South Africa? So watch here, you are very lucky. And people used to look at to me, what is lucky in that? But when I say you are lucky, they never used to get message what I wanted to convey. And today I am extremely enjoying this. Extensively, 30 though long back, I think I have crossed 40 countries. And this is something I really enjoy. I am on vacation from last more than 20 years, you believe me or not. કામ જ નથી કરતો. ગઈકાલથી આવું છું, મેં શું કર્યું અહીંયા? હમણાં પણ બસ વીરપુર દર્શન કરીને આવ્યો, તમે બેઠો તમારી સાથે વાતચીત કરું છું. કરું જ છું. You tell me what work I am doing? Absolutely nothing. અને તમે કાલે મારું કલેક્શન જોશો. I guarantee you have never seen this kind of program in your life. You write down this statement, take my signature.
Sure.
કાલે તમે જ્યારે ઊભા થશો ને, તમારું માઇન્ડસેટ આખું અલગ હશે.
Yeah, it will be a different Jagdish Joshi there.
You see, different nights, crazy Jagdish Joshi.
Right, sorry,
Simple.
crazy. Just now you said, we must get some kind of insults. So which are the insults that you have been through, which we can say the foundation stones of your being crazy?
Again, whatever I'm talking to you, and I may be using the negative word, but you have to take in a positive spirit. Then only it makes the difference. Number one, I remember I was in one of the pharma company, which is called Lab India. I was a commercial officer, and my major job is to organize, not conduct, organize the training and all that. And I remember one particular incident very well. We were there in Lonavala. And somehow, I don't know, right from the beginning, I am very much passionate about to see how the orator are, how do they perform, how they are performing on the stage. If we get an opportunity, how well we can speak in front of people and all that. So I got one chance, because I was just a commercial officer. I am supposed to organize the training session, not to deliver anything. But little announcement I am supposed to do. And I thought I should do it, so that way I am getting an opportunity to go on the platform and talk to the people, those who are sitting over there.
Right.
So I talked to my boss, sir, can you give me this opportunity? I just want that for tomorrow. The whole schedule I wanted to inform that what time it is going to start, what time tea time will be there, what time lunch time will be there. And we have made some little kind of a changes in the whole schedule. So should I go on the stage and should I convey? And he has insulted me on that particular spur of moment. बैठो, stage सबके लिए नहीं है. I remember that I was in Lonavala. The name of the hotel is Land Inn, and we were having a 7 days workshop for the people, those who are in pharma. I said, wonderful, you made my life.
Uh-huh.
That time I was not knowing that what is going to be happen and all these things, but it was there very much in my mind. Again, I am telling you that company, we used to sell gas chromatograph, liquid chromatograph and all that instrument, equipments I would say, which was starting with the 20 lakhs plus minimum. That time, that was I'm talking about 15 years back, 20 years back, sorry. And number of people used to come from the abroad, from the UK, USA, West Germany, because this product you used to get from there. And when this kind of people used to come, faculty which is called, and they used to give the training to the medical representative or the sales representative, okay, how to sell this product, what kind of technical presentation you are supposed to give and all that. But I was not a salesman. So I used to sit in one corner and I was to observe them. Okay, how he is coming, how he is wearing his blazer, how he is entering, હાથમાં ચોક કઈ રીતે પકડે છે, ડસ્ટર કઈ રીતે પકડે છે, પછી બ્લેઝર કાઢીને કઈ રીતે મૂકી દે છે, સિગરેટ પીતો જાય છે, શું કહેવાય આપણે હોકો પીતો જાય છે અને બધાને પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપતો જાય છે. I am absolutely mesmerized. I used to observe people like anything and I used to decide that one day will come. Somehow I don't know, right from beginning I am more comfortable when I am on the stage. And I am much more comfortable when I see people are more than 5,000 people are sitting in front of me. I give many programs in Shanmukhanand Hall and I really do enjoy. So that is how that inclination I got it. As I said, the name Speak Bindas, it got registered in my mind. Immediately the moment I saw that book, it was lying on somebody's table. That shows that Bindas activities. I think it's equally like what I'm talking about my crazy. Till the people do not understand crazy, they look at me in a different way. It is the same thing. I think communication is the only way which can bridge whatever problem probably today we are facing, irrespective of whether it is an organizational problem, it is a people problem, it is a marketing problem, it is a country's problem, or it is anybody's problem. If you can sit precisely and if you can communicate and that message goes across very precisely the way you want to give, I think that do chamatkar, nothing else. So I would say Speak Bindas, you are in the business of not a communication, but you are in the business of chamatkar. If that message goes and that bullet goes very precisely to the heart and it reaches to the head, then I think the all senses get open. Ultimately communication is what ultimately it conveys the message. If message goes to the right people with the right media, with the right approach, you will get right life. I think that is what I can say.